Yes sir, what's good everybody? I'm back and I'm better with another video. I don't know why the phone is so bright, but look guys, it's raining outside. We're going to the event. My truck is full, not to the rim. We only bought 86 pairs. I was gonna bring 100, but I was just like, nah, I can't do it because of the rain, bro. Look at the rain. It's look at the time. You guys see that what time it is right now, bro? I'm awake that early for a sneaker event. I shouldn't even be that early, but I'm going to have fun with my friends today, and that's the goal for the end of the day. Try to sell at least 20 pairs of shoes, make a little bit of money, make the trip kind of worth it for myself. But at the end of the day, we're hoping to buy some more pairs also, so I brought some cash. Bruh, I cannot do this with myself today, bruh. Sheesh. Alright, so we're at the market hall thing. These are all the vendors setting up, my little troquita, and I'll show you guys my little thing that we're setting up right now. I brought 86 like I said earlier, so hope things turn out the way they do. I have 6,000 cash, 2,000 Zelle, and hope I buy a few pairs of shoes, make a few dollars today. Let's go, enjoy, have fun with the homies. Look at this crazy guy, probably like 200 pairs. For me, this is my shit right here. We're gonna have this little table and then this big table, so we'll have 2 pairs of shoes, and then I'm gonna put the rack like he's doing, but I'm gonna put my rack like this right behind me, or I can put it to the side, it don't matter, but we're gonna do it like this and then just stack the shoes up. So I'll let you guys know when I'm ready. It's raining. Some of these shoe boxes did get a little wet, but I got this little microfiber towel. Just gonna get that little thing off, you feel me? And I think I got most of it organized by size, so once we place it on a rack, it's gonna be organized by size. And so as it sells, you're easily able to figure out, you know, what shoe it is, what SKU. So I already know what size it is. Plus from there, I just search up for the SKU. Should be simple. You guys are gonna be surprised of what I brought today, because it's all gonna be a certain model. So let's see what happens. Alright y'all, so I'm in here. I'm gonna show you guys a few of the setups. It's really clean booths they got going on. It's gonna be a whole lot of vintage. These boys, I ain't even here. Like, what they did last night is they came at like 5 o'clock, set up their booth. Super cool. I think this if it's boxes of shoes, that would be clean. But yeah, like, it's super cool and clean. Look at this. You showcase your brands right here. CBD. Like, these boys doing their thing. They got the whole booth set up. Hey bro, I don't want to get bad for nudity, but yeah, our next goal, bro, look at this clown, bro, left all his shoes right there. But honestly, like, people are respectful and shit goes the way it goes. So we're gonna wait for vendors to come in. I'm looking for a few sneaker resellers. We got a few pairs of those. I got a fat old WWE ring going on, so whenever there's gonna be a fight happening, I'll show you. Oh, whenever the wrestling fight is about to happen, I'll show you guys that. The music gonna be loud as hell, so we'll play some B-roll going on. But this is really cool. Like, look at this booth. It's organized. Here, back. Yeah. Go a little bit forward, and then I'll get the back, and then boom. How much for the selfie? Alright, so there's a few people with a few pair of shoes. Sneaker Sell 101. I don't know what the hell that is, but I got a whole booth. Hey, how much are you asking on the Jubilees?
Jubilees, I believe they're 360.
360. Okay. I appreciate it, bro.
Yeah, no problem.
That boy taxing, or it could have been just a big ass size. That's the sneaker homies coming in. Now I'm gonna show you guys my setup. It's pretty basura, but we're rolling with it. You feel me? This dude playing some fat ass music, but we organized it by size. I have no box pairs right there, so I'll probably put the no box pairs by themselves on that table, and then all these are gonna be on this table right here. So what I'm gonna do is probably stack them up like this, and then one more, and pretty much we're gonna have no use for the shelf if I do it like that. But we're gonna do maybe 1, 2, 3, and just roll it down. All right, y'all. So just sold these breads, $180. And then $950 for these, 200 on these, 280 on these, 200 on these, and I think it's like 270 on this shit. Alright, y'all, so here's the event, bro. Well, we did our thing, you feel me? I sold a few pairs already. I bought a pair of Topaz 4s, which I'm using down there. I bought those 4s right there for $320 something on it. And then my boys coming in here pulling up their shit. The other boys is right here putting their vintage shit. So we rolling. We re-rolling. Let's go. Oh shit, they been let people in. So I'm gonna just chill here for a minute. See who comes in with shoes. Make some deals happen, let's go.
Motherfucking noise out here. KLD! Last time we was in Houston, I took the L from you. It takes a real man to say that. But here in Dallas, ain't no way in hell I'm losing to you here in Dallas. More for you.
They're heading to the swap pit.
Oh shit, you better springboard that.
Alright, y'all, this is the end of the show. What sneaker event lets you bring in your car and load your shit up, bro? Amazing. Let's get it. Look at my face, bro. My face is sweating. Truck is full. Event is done with. Nobody's here except the last homies. Great event. Made some cash. Enjoyed it. I wish I could have recorded everything and done everything for y'all, but the only issue is I'm not a YouTuber, so I don't know how to do this. So let me know what you guys want to see next, like people buying off my table and stuff like that. And then there's so much loud music going on here, but I did have a great time, enjoyed it with a lot of people, especially that wrestling fight, crazy. But other than that, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Look at my car, full. If you're a reseller, don't buy a truck, buy a Suburban or something bigger and longer than my dummy. We probably fit like 50 pairs in the back here, and then I mean, it kind of works out, you feel me? But I don't recommend a truck unless you go and spend that. It costs $3,000 to get the little bed cover, bro. That's tax. I'm about to get like a cheap ass one, get it gone. Let's go. But my trusty little bar right here always helps out. If you're a reseller, you should get one all the time and stack all your shoes up on there. and it's gonna save you a lot of time and headache. That being said, this is the end of the episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. I'm gonna drop these off to the warehouse tomorrow after I clean them up and everything. Oh man, I'm so tired. Good night, have a good one, adios.
Make sure you click the like or dislike or I don't care button, but click something, goddammit.